I I am Danilo Tungian Jr. Automotive 3-11, embracing nature and its best. Welcome to my humble and little farm. Let's do a quick tour and appreciate the gift of nature.
We grow different crops in a little farm such as Sikwa. String beans, spring onion, ginger and bananas. Growing those crops is quite easy for they can survive with a type of weather we have in our country. Basically, growing these crops can greatly help in lessening our expenses. Furthermore, it can also provide us a some fresh and healthy harvest. Aside from the crops we grow, we also have some livestock such as chicken, cows. Chickens provide us eggs and meat for consumption. We also grow dogs as a pets to guard our livestock.